Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create the perfect collared puffy dress look in Dress to Impress using pieces you probably already have. No VIP, no problem. So this is the dress that I'm going to create, and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So first, there are two code items that you are going to use for the dress. The first one is this dress in here, and you can change the color to the color that you like. So I'm going to go with black. And next item is you're going to put on this jacket in here and toggle it into no watermelon and toggle it into top only. So there will be only the color here. And next you're just going to put on this dress, change the color the same with the other items, and lastly just put on this sleeves in here and color it the same, and you are done. So this is the final look for the collared dress for you. So this outfit is giving a classic charm meets modern slay, and it's easier to pull off than you think. So like if you love puffy dress, comment your favorite DTI clothing combo and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more style hacks and outfit secrets. Bye!